Today's farms run like well-oiled machines, literally. Let's see how tech is transforming the way we grow, harvest, and feed the world. The porous filler's job is to fill drainage trenches with porous material, usually small stones or gravel. The porous backfill placed by this machine helps prevent soil compaction by promoting better water infiltration and drainage. In compacted soils, roots struggle to penetrate and access oxygen. With improved drainage, the soil remains looser, better aerated, and more hospitable to plant growth over time. Ventum's vertical air tunnel system is more than a transport mechanism, it's a built-in sorter. By leveraging differences in specific weight, the airflow selectively carries the intended product while discarding foreign matter like leaves, dirt, or stones before they reach the packing area. The KDS-260 spreader, mounted on a galvanized Flegel chassis, uses two horizontal rollers for even fertilizer distribution. Its adjustable VarioSplash 2-disc system adapts to fertilizer type and rate, while continuous control of scraper speed and flow slider enables spreading up to 32 meters under suitable conditions. Unlike traditional methods that rely on tanker trucks, the self-propelled agrometer SDS 7000 delivers continuous operation with a capacity of up to 200 tons per hour. This innovation not only speeds up the fertilization process, but also saves resources and minimizes environmental impact around the farmland. Beyond its powerful stone-gathering capability, the Remlinger hydraulic rock picker also demonstrates flexibility across various terrains. Whether dealing with hard or plowed soil, this machine can operate efficiently, making it a versatile tool for farmers. Equipped with a 3-fraction star screen deck, the 3-fraction star screener FlexStar 3000 Willibold efficiently separates organic material into fine, medium, and coarse fractions. Material is fed into the machine's hopper, where it moves across multiple screen zones, each set to a different spacing and star rotation speed, allowing for precise gradation in a single pass. What sets the Asterix robot apart is its integration of advanced machine vision and a precise nozzle system. Using cameras and powerful machine learning, the robot distinguishes crops from weeds with high accuracy. Then it sprays tiny herbicide droplets directly onto the weed leaves, effectively controlling weeds while leaving crops. With the VDW agricultural machinery Uno Compact, the process of spreading straw in the cattle shed is significantly optimized. The hydraulic operating mechanism allows the machine to continuously intake straw bales and blow it out at high speed, completely replacing the manual untying and spreading of straw by multiple people, thus saving time and manpower. Amont's approach to soil cultivation with the 40X 300H reflects a shift from brute force tillage to soil-conscious management. By minimizing compaction and enhancing porosity, it creates an environment where soil biology and plant roots can thrive together. Designed to mimic hand-tying techniques, the Havitech Twister streamlines bouquet production. It maintains uniform quality and reduces labor needs by half, making it a useful tool in high-volume flower operations. Speed is important during harvest, but timing is everything. This McCain harvesting of peanuts enables farmers to harvest at the optimal moment without waiting for extra labor. That means better crop quality, lower losses, and more control over market timing. Working through 5-ton per acre wheat, the John Deere T560i Combine doesn't miss a beat. Its intelligent crop flow system maintains steady material movement, while the With 722X header maximizes feeding efficiency. It's the kind of performance designed for high-yield harvests with minimal downtime. At the heart of its harvesting process are the vibrating root beaters equipped with an integrated braking system. These beaters separate the tomatoes from their plants delicately yet efficiently, minimizing fruit bruising and stem damage, which is essential for maintaining high post-harvest quality. In the Grodno region, the Kiet 6 heavy cultivator from Minoity is paired with the powerful Kirovets K742 tractor to till the soil to a depth of 25 centimeters. This deep cultivation helps break up compacted layers, improving aeration and water infiltration, an essential step before sowing in heavy soils. Autonomous machines like RoboVeg Roboti are not science fiction. They're today's tools for future-proof agriculture, especially in broccoli farming, where timing and precision are critical. This robot offers a reliable and scalable alternative to manual labor. When planting thousands of trees, uniformity matters. The Damkin PL40 planting machine ensures consistent depth, spacing, and support for each sapling. The hydraulic cane pusher, reducing the chance of leaning or root damage due to wind. The Spearhead Sniper 270's full-width adjustable rear roller contributes to a high-quality and evenly distributed finish across the pasture after topping. This, combined with the John Deere 6510 stable operation, results in well-maintained grasslands. Operating in the cooler, wetter climate of northern Netherlands, the Midifix proves reliable even in less than ideal baling conditions. Its robust pickup system and compact size ensure clean collection and consistent output. In a context where hay stacking solutions often have more limited capacities, the ability to integrate up to 40 bales on this homemade sledge is a special feature, offering a competitive advantage in terms of efficiency and processing speed. This could be a unique solution helping Peter Krudge's farm optimize its operations effectively. Every drop of chamomile oil starts in vast fields, where specially designed harvesters gently handle flowers to preserve key active ingredients, blending precise mechanics with plant science for premium quality. The harvester's cutting bar moves steadily across the field, efficiently separating corn stalks without unnecessary damage. The onboard threshing system then quickly processes the crop, reducing downtime and maintaining steady harvesting speed, ideal for large-scale farming. By topping the foliage before the tractor wheels pass, the front-mounted unit ensures a clean and consistent cut. This not only eases the harvesting process, but also minimizes damage and disease risk to the carrot roots during storage and transport, thus preserving product quality. Thanks to its GPS-based guidance system, the HAKT S-Series tiller enables precise and repeatable hoeing passes, reducing operator fatigue and error. The machine can follow the same path exactly in successive runs, reducing herbicide use and promoting ecological balance. Built to travel over tightly spaced citrus rows, this citrus mechanical harvesting uses synchronized shaking arms and catch frames to dislodge fruit gently. Its engineering prioritizes tree health while maintaining steady operation at moderate speeds. Capable of harvesting up to 6,000 chickens per hour, the Chicken Harvester ESM avocing machine redefines efficiency in poultry operations. It fits into small barns, supports tank steering, and operates across multiple stories, making it a practical solution for modern chicken farms. While not every farm may require a dedicated bean windrower, for growers working with large acreages or aiming to minimize post-harvest losses, these machines offer clear advantages. The ability to process rows evenly and consistently provides a foundation for clean, efficient combine operation. The Ruthenberg ZK 2010's design allows for both front and rear mounting, offering flexibility in its application. This versatility enables farmers to adapt the machine to various field conditions and tractor configurations, enhancing its usability across different farming setups. For sustainable efficiency, the Yanmar MD 20 riding cultivator excels thanks to its lightweight three-wheel design. This might sound minor, but it's crucial for minimizing soil compaction. Less compacted soil means roots can grow deeper, absorb nutrients better, and yield higher productivity. Adjustable spindle rotation on FruitTech Bacchus gives vineyard workers the control they need when leaf thinning near trunks, where airflow matters most. It's impressive to see how Brimapack integrates the Ferrari Fastblock with their eDrive V-Track system. Not only does it improve transplanting efficiency, it also reduces emissions and fuel costs, proof that productivity and sustainability can go hand in hand. Plant garlic and other bulbs more efficiently with the unmatched AGP7R7 row planter. Increase yield thanks to 7 rows, saving time and effort. Easy spacing adjustment, suitable for various crops. When your tractor's in the shop, but your Audi still thinks it's got farm boy roots. The PZ Novak 721, originally developed in the Netherlands, is designed to suit European-style smaller fields, making it a fitting match mid-power tractors like the Ford 6700. Its compact frame and ease of operation allow even less experienced users to rake hay effectively without damage to crop or turf. Using forklifts and conveyor belts in watermelon harvesting is a small but significant step forward in improving work efficiency. It shows proactiveness in seeking assistive tools to work faster and can minimize the difficulties often encountered in manual harvesting. This machine uses a set of motorized spades to dig and lift the soil in a motion similar to manual shoveling. With hydraulically independent inner row discs, the T3D mulcher keeps cool during intense fieldwork. Its parallelogram arms adapt well to uneven soil surfaces. Various sizes are available to suit orchard conditions. You don't need a research lab to innovate. Sometimes you just need a farmer, a welder, and a field full of weeds. This is a typical onion trimmer equipped with a simple cutting setup. It's not automated or advanced, but it gets the trimming done with steady performance. Just a little hiccup in the dumping process. The truck wasn't stuck, it was just thinking about it. A key benefit of land leveling is improved water management on fields, preventing waterlogging and ensuring better drainage, crucial for soil structure and crop yields. Bassery's leak planter, clever mix of a slender plow and unique press wheels, ensures seedlings are snug in the soil without extra hassle. The light frame and straightforward setup make it a favorite for efficient planting. The introduction of Kreutzmeyer's double belt press allowed BC tree fruits to efficiently scale production, pressing apples at unprecedented rates. This technological upgrade supported their continued innovation, reflected in awards for both judges and cider lovers alike. By targeting invasive weeds underwater, the Mower Inn helps clear rivers and lakes, improving water quality and navigation without heavy environmental impact. Ting tong, your corn just got juiced. We hope you're as impressed as we are. Stay tuned with Mega Hub. Like, share, and subscribe to catch the next level of agri-machines.